I've been waiting.
I've been waiting for someone like you.
Yeah, you make me. Yeah. And don't stick that.
Jag kan lyfta mig själv, jag är så stark.
Lyfter dig själv hur? Det är rätt jävla...
Alltså, med mina armar.
It's like somebody's watching me.
¿Cómo estás? Me llamo de bibliotecas. Mucho gracias. En mi por amor. Spanish enkel och en värld i Spanien för hofiken.
Aj.
Lyssna. Nia.
Pick yourself up off the... You better knit the damn like whiskey.
Monday, sa jag.
Pick yourself up on your feet. Pick yourself up on your feet.
Damn, looking like Mona Lisa.
Never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He go find another girl and he won't miss ya. He go skirt and hit the down like Wiz Khalifa. Pick yourself up on your feet. Yes.
I still see the shadows in my room. It's cold. I know it's cold. I know, baby, it's cold. Hallå. Oh, mina armar down. Energy on. Reactivating. Restoring. David.
Ja.
Hjälp mig! Vad händer? Jag vet att jag ska hem till mig och vi ska spela bordspel. Tonight. Oh yeah, nigga. Must have been so for you. Stayed in your arms tonight. Oh, I just stayed in your arms tonight. Must have been some kind of kiss. I just stayed. Och kiss, det innehåller vatten och lite gull och uraniumfitta. I should have walked away. Yeah. Och nu för min nästa låt. YouTube. See the stars, say your eyes.
Ja du Daniel.
Sniffy? Bitey.
Little boy.